So, hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So, I come from Uttar Pradesh in Azamgarh. As you know about me, I am Ramjit Chauhan. I have graduated in 2019 from arts. My purpose is that to come here just to improve my English and communication skills as well. So, but I don't know the clarity how to manage it. But my friends, I will try something how to speak and how to take pause, how to manage the vocabulary, sentence, and translate, and where I should speak well. So, but and as you can see right now, my friends, there is a like our blog to Ajmatgarh because I have some task. The task is not released from the maybe there is some issue. My my father accounts don't comes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana funds like, so that's why I am working like that. I am working at that work, but that work is not completed by me. For I come here to three times, so maybe today is the possible of that work, and maybe my father's accounts, in my father accounts, the Pradhan Mantri funds comes. So that's why I come here. Is, do you know? Do you see already, my friends? Because that kind of the task I have. That's why I don't make a video one day, and I think second yesterday I did not make a video. That kind of the task I have. So I was too much busy right now, my friend, and after that that the task done. After that, I had to go to Ajamgarh, my friends, and I have some withdrawal money from the Allahabad banks because I need, and I filled the passport form, and the release date 3 to 26. So and now I had to go to Banaras and of the 3 of the date. So I have some task, and without any without task you don't think and don't do anything else, because you, if you have no any task, so I believe that you will be become lazy. So I wear the like a jacket and muffler because the cold season is keep on going, and but right now the sun is shining too much, and two before 2 days the weather is cloudy, so that's why we feel cold. So that's why I wear the like jacket and muffler. But right now the sun is shining too much, my friend. As you can see behind me, around me, there are so many grounds and office to in the sector or block to Ajmatgarh. So what I speak, I don't understand when I start the speaking English, when I making the video in English language. I forget many things. Just I blanked my mind, I blanked my all ideas. So that's the problem, my friends. I think what I speak, I am able to speak, I will be able to speak or not. So that's the problem. That is the same problem all beginners and all listeners and learners as well. So that is the importance. Maybe I am speak a little, but I am not able to speak fluently because I when I start the speaking English, and I had to make a lot of mistake. So this that the happenings with me. So there is no one of the happening, there is happening someone equal, but the sense of the humors to speak through the speak in English language, there is no any excuse. If you want to speak in English language, my friend, definitely you will be able to speak in English language, but you make a consistency and you follow the your routine, daily routine, and you have to just watch in short video in English language with the subtitles every day without stop any day, because if you make consistency of that work, so definitely that work is hit your mind, and once time comes in your mind, you think yes, that is the progress, you feel like that is the progress. So it is very important. If you want to speak in English language, my friend, definitely you will be able to, you will have, you will be able to see the English videos very shorter, and then you will be become in shortly speaker. I believe that, my friends, but you don't break the consistency. You have, you will be able to just have to follow, like you will have to follow a step, a small step. Gradually you will be become like a speaker. So that's enough for me. And as you can see, my friends, maybe 1 day or 2 days I did not make a videos, but when I have time, so definitely I think, and just I recently I making videos, start the making videos in English language, because I get the fluency, I everything else, what needs to speaking in English, just I follow the, but right now, but such a way you have to speak, you have to practice, you have to do practice. So my friend, that is the very important. I'm waiting right now, I'm waiting for the my father friends, because he did not come yet. So my friends, when she will come at the office, so definitely I will meet him and for looking for the task and for helping. So that's why I'm just sitting here to take sunshine, and I feel better, and that's why I'm making video. So thank you so much for, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We will meet next video, in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos.